Hey everyone, welcome back to the Python Challenge series, where we solve fun and brain-twisting puzzles using Python. Today, we're tackling challenge number 4, titled Follow the Chain. Let's dive in. When we open the challenge link, we see an image, and the page title says, Follow the Chain. If you click on the image, it redirects you to a new URL that looks like this. And here's the key part. The page says, and the next nothing is 44,827. We copy 44827 and replace nothing equals 12345 with nothing equals 44827. And we get to next page, which means we're expected to keep following this nothing value. It's like a linked list, each page pointing to the next. Our plan is simple. 1. Start from the first nothing value. 2. Fetch the next number from the web page. 3. Update the URL with the new number. 4. Repeat until we hit the another clue or final value. We also need to print the content of web page so that we can track whether we are getting new clue or final value. Our code is running this file. Oh, we got some different string this time. The string is, yes, divide by 2 and keep going. That means we need to add one more regex for this string. Also, we need to keep previous number as well. So we modify our code for this case. And running this code again. we get peak.html. Copy peak.html and replace text and URL from linkedlist.php to peak.html. And we have solved the challenge. As always, the clean and well-documented code is available in my GitHub repository. Link is in the description. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to my channel for more such challenge videos. Keep watching, and I will see you in next challenge.